Struggling to find a mesh style image for your Canva design? How about creating your own? I'll show you how. First, go to Canva apps and search for mesh gradient. This one. Here, you can choose your gradient style, whether you want it circular or with curves. You can also pick your own colors. Add your branding colors, or if you're unsure where to start, just click on Randomize Colors. For the curve options, you can also randomize its position. Super easy, right? Want more Canva tips and hacks? Comment yes. Be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!